Hi, my name is Martin Courmont. Welcome to this Atelier IFS video. In this tutorial of Google Calendar, we will see how to use Google Calendar. After this tutorial, you will be able to create an event, organize your schedule, invite guests to your event. Now let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how to access to your Google Calendar. There are different ways to access, but I will show you the simplest one. The first one is from your Gmail account. You can find on the top right an icon with some squares. Just click on it, and now you can see different icons, which are the Google's application that you have. Google Calendar is just here. Click on it, and then you access directly to your calendar. The second way to access is from the intranet of the school. You can find different icons which are used by the staff. Click on this icon and you will be directly connected to your Google Calendar. If you are not connected, Google will ask you to enter your Gmail address and password. Fill your professional Gmail address and your password. Now you have entered in the Google Calendar, I will show you the interface. First thing, by default, Google Calendar will show you the current week. For example, this is the day I'm talking to you right now. And this is the current week, Monday to Sunday. Each days are the columns below. On this side, you can find the timelines for each days. If you want to jump directly to another day or week, you can go on the top left and click to another day. For example, 23rd of July. Let's go back to our week. You can also jump to different weeks by clicking just right there on this arrow for the next week. As you can see, you are jumping to the next week. Let's go back to the previous week. Also, the calendar can be seen in different ways, by days, by weeks, by months, or even by years. If you want to view your schedule in a different way, you can go to this icon on the right top, and you can choose the way your calendar will be shown. For example, select months, and then your calendar will be shown month by month. Same thing for the days. Click on day and your calendar will be organized day by day. You can even have a view on the whole year. It can be convenient to see your whole schedule and access directly to the week or the month that you are looking for. Now I'm going to show you how to create an event. For example, if you want to schedule a meeting with a colleague for today, choose what time your meeting will be held. For example, 5 p.m. today. Just click here, and a new window is appearing with some information. I will show you only the important ones. Add a title, for example, Meeting with Martin. Then you can precise the time of your meeting. For example, here it's from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. But if you click here, and you can precise that your meeting will take only 30 minutes, 5 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Now you can add guests to your meeting. Just click here, and you need to enter the Gmail address of someone. press Enter. You can also inform which room you want to meet. When you click here, it will show you the room of the IFS, and you can find what room is available during your meeting. For example, we will take the E501 room. You just go back and you can see this room is booked for your meeting. You can either write a location which is not recorded by the IFS, like press Enter. You can describe your meeting to give information to the guests you are inviting, like now you can press Save and your meeting is recorded. Now that you have created your event, the guests that you just invite just receive an email of confirmation. This is a notification that you just invite him. This email shows all the details of the meeting, and your guest can answer yes, maybe, or no. Voila! I hope this tutorial has been useful for you. I invite you to contact me if you have any question or need help. In the meantime, don't forget to take a look at the other workshops and trainings available for you through the Centre Local d'e-learning et de formation of the IFS. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon in another video.